Since the introduction in early 2018, NAATI Certification has become the industry standard for working in the profession in Australia. NAATI considers this an important step in the ongoing professionalisation of the sector in Australia and will have some long-term benefits to the industry.
I chose to transition to NAATI certification because I want to make sure all my NAATI credentials are current and valid. Without certification, I think our future job may be limited because the government body and the translating and interpreting agency will prioritise those who have certification.
It was extremely easy going through the workshops online and available everywhere, anytime, even in the weekends, and obviously because it was available for free as well.
It was beyond my expectation. It was much easier than I expected. It didn't take that long at all. I just did a day of training and the rest of that, it followed the bouncing ball and got sorted out.
People weren't sure, but they made it very easy and very straightforward for the practitioners to follow that pathway through.
I've been using my new translator stamp from the day I received it. It is amazing.